You watch your favorite cartoon and you are in love with their background, and you are thinking, how can I get this background without even drawing anything? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 methods in which you can achieve and create cool and free backgrounds for your animation without drawing anything. Without wasting much of our time, let's get into it.
Come on, hey!
3 methods, each one is different, each one is free, and the third method, which I'm saving for last, is going to change how you think about backgrounds forever. Ensure you watch to the very end. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe and welcome to Toonz Academy. Method 1. Sourcing your background online. I'm going to show you 3 great platforms in which you can get your backgrounds online. The first platform is Google Image. All you need to do is to go on your Google search and search for cartoon backgrounds, all depending on the kind of scenes you want. If you want a cartoon bedroom background, you can basically search cartoon bedroom background, and if it is street, you can search cartoon street background. Once you search this, you have series of options in your disposal to use. Just click on images, then you see series of backgrounds you can use for your animation. These are free and there's no form of copyright issue. You are good to go with all this cool and nice background. And the second platform is Pinterest. Most of us know this platform for cool design, for cool images, and on this platform as well you can get a cool and nice cartoon backgrounds. All you need to do, same way, is to search the kind of background you need, and once you search, you have series of backgrounds you can use as well. These as well are free and no form of copyright issue. And the last one is Canva. Just go on Canva, click on template and search for cartoon background. On Canva you have series of them that you can use. You might come across the one that is actually premium that you won't be able to download. Basically all you need to do is to screenshot it and save it on your phone. And once you have all these images, all this background, the next step is to go on FlipaClip and add images and import the background you've downloaded for your images, and now you have a cool and nice background. Second method, build the background inside FlipaClip. For this second method, you don't need to go online at all. Everything happens right inside FlipaClip, and this is the method used by some of the biggest animators you know. Firstly, FlipaClip has inbuilt background library that you can use. All you need to do is to tap on these 3 icons, tap on project settings, and tap on these icons circled for us. As you can see, you have series of backgrounds that you can use, plain color, every kind of backgrounds that you can use. And looking at this particular background, comparing it to the background of your favorite animator, you can see this is actually the background this animator is using, basically from inbuilt library of FlipaClip. No stress, no form of perfectionism. And when you're cool with any background in this library, all you need to do is to select it and you have it automatically in your animation frame. Now the second part of adding background to your animation, instead of just a white background, you can decide to use a color filter. You can add a background layer below your character, select the fill tools and the fill bucket icon, which is circled for us. Pick any kind of color that you need. If you need a sky color, which is sky blue, basically select the color, click on the half layer, then you have the sky blue color, and select a green color to have a green feed background for your animation. Click on it, then you have it. Now to beautify this your background, you can basically make use of simple shape tools, a brown rectangle and a green circle on top, and that is your tree. A gray rectangle in the background, and that is your building. You are not drawing anything. These are pleasant shapes and filling them with color. Anyone can do it. That is method 2. And now method 3. We generate our background basically with ChatGPT AI. What we need to do is to go into our ChatGPT. This is very free for anyone. You don't need to pay anything. You don't need a paid account. Here is how it works. Instead of searching for an existing background or building one from scratch, describe exactly what you want, how you want your background to be, and AI generates a custom background made specifically for your scene in seconds. For example, a cartoon 2D animation background of a classroom, bright colors, clean flat design, no characters, white shot. And that is it. Be specific about what exactly you want your background to look like. Mention the cartoon style, mention no character must be present, mention the mood or the color that you need for your background. The more detail you give, the better the result that you get from AI. And look at that, we have our classroom background generated for us. Very beautiful and nice to make use of. Now what you need to do is to go back to your FlipaClip, then click on add image to import your background. Now your character is perfectly fit into the background that you want. No searching, no settling for someone else's image. You describe based on your prompt for your AI, and this is your original background. 3 methods, zero drawing. All these 3 methods are free and all are working perfectly well on your phone. Pick the one that you deem fit for your animation sake and you love so much, and your animation will never look empty again. And that's it, guys. If this video helps you, ensure you like this video, share with your friend, and also comment your thoughts about this tutorial. And next week we are dropping the part 2 of this very tutorial where I show you how to add real objects to your background using free PNG sources online. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss part 2. Hit the like button and I'll see you in the next tutorial.
This is HB Toonz Academy, your mobile animation channel. Learn, create, and enjoy.